How did you hear about this camp and why did you decide to come after you've heard about it?
So first, I've been playing professionally for 4 years. I just finished the season in Europe, and I've been talking with Coach Turner the past few years. My family's Jamaican, and I haven't been here in maybe 14 years. So I looked at it as an opportunity to come back home and see family that I haven't seen in years, and also go out and come and see the brotherhood in real life.
And what's it been like for you?
For me, it's great. I've never been somewhere where I feel at home. I haven't been here for 14 years, and it's like everybody's family, everybody treats me with respect. Everybody wants to get to know who you are, where you come from, where you play. Everybody wants to learn. I've been here for about 2 weeks now. I get my passport and everything back in order. Because I was born here, that's when I was like 12, 13.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been good. It's been good going back around, driving around, seeing all the places I used to go to, the Angels primary and everything. It's been a neat experience, very nostalgic. It's been very good.
And what's your connection to Jamaica?
My dad's side of my dad was born and raised here. Came over to New York when he was about 15.
How did you hear about this trials?
My grandma he has a friend in the sports ministry. She told me about it. So I decided to come out here and see what it was about.
And how has it been?
It's been really good. Getting to enjoy the culture here. See where my dad comes from, other part of my family. So it's been great.
Introduce yourself to us.
My name is Jason Boston, Boston, Massachusetts, sophomore at Virginia Military.
Okay, and why are you here?
Here to represent my country. Play high level basketball. I was told that a lot of pros would be here, so I wanted to see where I stood against that crowd.
Okay, and what's your connection or relation to Jamaica?
My dad was actually born here in Kingston, moved over to Massachusetts.
And how has it been?
Interesting experience actually. Nothing I've ever seen like it. Especially because a whole bunch of people come from different areas. Canada, England, United States, stuff like that. I just like how different people come together to play good basketball.